Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am setting up my bullet journal for the end of the year. Another year has passed and it just feels like yesterday when 2022 started. We all wished for the pandemic to get over. So much has changed in this year. For past couple of months I have been sharing my bullet journal setup and how it has worked for me. Today I'm also going to share the entire process of setting it up, the image inspirations where I got from, and everything in between. So let's get started.
Every day something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
Before even starting with the process, I'll give you how it all came together. So this is my calendar page. I do not make a cover page. Here I like to note down my notes and the projects for the month. And anything that is set in stone goes on the calendar, like important dates, events, etc. There was a little bleeding from the back side of the page, but that's okay. This page is pretty interesting. I colored this blue color at the very end, right before shooting this video. And the most fun part was creating this tree which says "Have a Merry Little Christmas." And I created this envelope where I had all this little lists of things that we want to do throughout this month to celebrate New Year. On the other side of the page starts my daily calendar, and since December is starting from Thursday, so all 4 days were easily accommodated. The next page has the cutest gingerbread man, and the inspiration picture does not have all these decorations that I've added, but at least it will give you a fair idea of how it should be drawn. I will leave the link of the website in the description box. I really love this cute little mistletoe. And rest of the setup remains the same, where I track my Instagram, YouTube, daily notes and projects. This snowman was another cutie and it was super easy to draw, didn't take a lot of time. So by now you understood that the theme of the month is Christmas, and here I created a snow globe which Ishi wanted it for real. So for now it is only while I'm tracking her studies. This is a meal planner spread and I do not like the way it turned out. It almost looks like tomatoes, but I was trying to create ornaments. But nevertheless, I wanted to give you an idea that I plan for lunch and dinners, and I do not plan for breakfast. Breakfast does not take me a lot of time, so I do not plan for breakfast much. And my meal plan is based on the ingredients that I already have in my pantry plus what all I have to order. So If you want to know a little bit more about it, leave me a comment. I will definitely make an entire video on this. Now this is my daily tracker about which I have spoken a lot in detail further in the video when I was making this. So essentially I track my morning rituals, evening rituals and couple of habits that I want to inculcate and couple of habits that I want to get rid of. I really love the way this YouTube video idea spread has come out, and the garland on top is so pretty. So here I have made only 12 boxes because I want to carry forward couple of video ideas from November which I was not able to complete because of my ill health this month. So maybe you will find more videos this month. This by far has been my favorite spread. I mean, it looks so colorful and bright. It really makes me happy to see this. So essentially in this page I'm tracking my Instagram post and Pinterest post. This is one of a new spread that I've added to my bullet journal, and where I talk about my daily gratitude. So it's like writing about your daily gratitude one line a day. Most often I do not need prompts, but on days when I need prompts, at the beginning of the year I made this gratitude pocket, and here I have these small little prompts to write about my daily gratitude. I used to practice these prompts on days when I was not feeling well or had a very rough day or something, but now from this month I want to practice on a daily basis. And here we come at the end of the entire bullet journal, where it is kind of a reflection page for year 2022, all the memories that we made in this year and what all we have accomplished. So this is how the December planner looks like. Now let me take you in detail. There are multiple benefits of doing bullet journal, but today I am sharing my top most favorite reasons why I do bullet journaling. Bullet journaling is one of the cheapest way to start planning your entire day to entire life. All you need a notebook and a pen. Rest everything is fluff. When I started bullet journaling, all I had this notebook, scrap pieces of paper and a black pen. There are a lot of people who enjoy that minimalistic look of bullet journaling, and that really works for many to give the clarity of the task. Of course, there are n number of stationeries that you can add to your bullet journal collection, but as I said, that's not mandatory to start. You don't even need a dotted gridded journals that you see most of us using. You can start with a simple notebook as well.
I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made little gingerbread Santas. There's nothing left to chance. This year, Santa's coming home to me.
The second best benefit that I like about bullet journal is it is highly customizable. Like as if it fits to your needs. Just like air, it takes the shape of the personal needs. If I want to track or plan something, I can always include that spread in my bullet journal. For this spread of bullet journal, I made this small little envelope to add all the little things that we wanted to do for December, from games, activities, movies, food, places to visit, every little thing.
Santa Claus is coming home to me. Yeah, this year Santa Claus is coming home to me.
The third benefit that I enjoy personally in a bullet journal is it gives you a scope for your own creativity. To do art in a bullet journal, honestly, you do not need to be an artist. You can make mistakes because it's just for you, it's just your thing. And eventually and slowly, you start exploring your creative side.
Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we could stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
The fourth important benefit of bullet journaling is that you can track yourself better. You can know yourself better. What motivates you? How was your day? What exactly you are making a mistake that is not leading you to your own goals? Things that encourages you to work more. Every little thing that can be tracked through bullet journal. So if I have to speak in my own context, I would say days when I don't sleep well, it just kind of makes me more cranky the entire day. Or when I had lots and lots of sugar, the other day I'm feeling very lazy and tired. I also wanted to give you a glimpse of Ishi's bullet journal. It is full of art and she is way too good in her calligraphy and her art. And slowly and steadily I am trying to build a habit of journaling in her as well.
I've done more good deeds than I've told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my records agree. Then maybe this year Santa's coming home to me.
As many experts say, the moment you put down things on paper, there is high likely chances of it becoming your reality. So, in case you want to establish any kind of a habit or you want to set up a plan for your family, for yourself, That becomes a reality when you start tracking it on a daily basis. And it may differ from person to person. That brings me to this daily tracker page that I have here. And I have been absolutely in love with my daily tracker and my meal planner. I have said this before and I'm saying it again. It has not made me into a perfect person, but I'm slowly and eventually moving towards the goal. Practice doesn't make you perfect. Practice creates progression and progression creates perfection. So small little step each time helps you to reach your goal better. Here is my morning rituals that I like to practice. Not all days are same. Not all days I'm able to tick box all of them. But slowly and eventually tracking them helps me to see what inhibits me not to reach my goals, what encouraged me to reach my goals. And at the end of the month, when you have a bird eye view, what you missed, what needs more concentration, which areas require more focus, you can track down every little thing. So I track my migraine headaches, no sugar days, how many times I have taken vitamins for the month. Hair oil is one of the biggest concern. I always forget that. And couple of self-care habits like doing an oil facial, waxing, hair oiling, hair packs, mani-pedi, just basic ones. How many times I have taken the services or did it by myself doesn't really matter, but these things needs to be done. And it gets so much easier for me to check on myself that whether or not I have taken care of myself for this particular month. This small little things often we forget. It slips our mind. Running errands around the home. But it is very important. This was another very important spread in my bullet journal this year, which was reflection page, where, as I said, that I want to see how much I have grown this year, what all memories that I've made throughout the year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be organized, calm, and happy. Until next time, bye-bye.